blendAPPS Manufacturing Scheduler Suite app is a scheduling solution that lives entirely within NetSuite. Using this tool, you already have the ability to schedule work orders and events, like CIPs, maintenance, or plant closures in the NetSuite native drag-and-drop interface, with real-time status indicators and options to view the calendar by day, week, or month in a calendar view or a Gantt view. Today, in addition to that tried and true functionality, you can now schedule your NetSuite routing operations. The scheduler tool will display your work order list, which includes all NetSuite work orders that match your filter criteria, even those with associated routing operations. By clicking the drop-down, you'll see a breakdown of each routing. There are two options for scheduling work orders with routings. You can schedule the work order, or you can schedule each routing individually. Scheduling the work order will bring in all routing operations to their corresponding work center automatically. Once each routing is on the calendar, you can move, trim, or extend them, and the scheduler will enforce the operation sequence. Returning to the NetSuite work order, you'll find the source of the time estimates as defined by the user in the manufacturing routing operation. So if you use routings in NetSuite and schedule work orders outside of NetSuite, now you can eliminate the disconnect. And whether it's bicycles or lemonade you're manufacturing, whether your process is discrete or continuous, we can help. Reach out to blendAPPS to schedule a demo and sign up for a free trial of the Manufacturing Scheduler Suite app. blendAPPS, built for NetSuite, made for you.